The feeling is too intense. They cannot take it anymore. They are just in this mindset where they keep on thinking about the hurt they have caused in this connection. The tables have finally turned. They are realizing how much pain you went through. All those nights you were crying besides them and they didn't even bother to look at you. All of those memories they keep replaying in their head because they don't know how to get away from it. Their distractions are not working out for them, and nothing at this point makes them feel good because they know the harm that they have caused when your intentions were pure. Is all of that is catching up with them. Hi, collective. This is a person from your past who is coming up in the reading. This person is very active in your energy. This person is constantly thinking about you. This person is in this headspace where they feel as if they want to talk to you one more time, but they know that whenever they have a conversation with you or whenever they think of talking to you, they don't know where to start. The emotions are piling up and they just don't know where to begin from because the connection and all the things that sabotage the connection, it's all mixed up. They don't know how to sort this feeling, they don't understand how to move through this pain, and they feel like because they haven't taken action since such a long time, they haven't really come forward and explained what was happening behind the scenes, why they behaved the way they behaved. For a lot of y'all, I'm picking up on someone who has ghosted you and left you with no answers for a very long time. Like there was no closure in this connection. And this person is feeling very heavy. This person also feels like it's a baggage that they won't be ever, like they will not be able to let go of this baggage for a really long time. They will just be in this energy of total heartbreak and not making that one person understand what they truly feel. Like you were one of those people who mattered to them a lot. They felt as if, you were always there for them to help them out. But in reality, because they were running away from introspection, they were running away from taking accountability, they created a situation for themselves which they cannot escape from. When you were a part of this person's life, their life was going well, they were doing okay in their life, like, financially they were stable enough to support themselves. But now this person is in this energy where they cannot really sustain the heartbreak and the pain that they have caused you. I think, for a lot of y'all, this person was always coming in this connection in a half hearted way. They were not fully present in the connection, and now they are realizing how much pain and heartbreak that effort has caused. This person is totally shattered. This person is totally heartbroken, and they cannot run away from this. Like before, like previously, they used to run away from this, and they used to not feel so pressured to think about this. Like it was easy for them to suppress and move through life because they were not actually running away from you. They were just busy in distractions. They didn't get the time to sit down with their lows and really think about the failures, but now they cannot help themselves but think about the failures. For a lot of y'all, this person is going through a phase in their life where their finances have been blocked. No matter how much effort they put into things, they don't really work out for them because there's a lot of things going on. Yes, this person has turned from King of Pentacles to the Page of Pentacles. This person is in this energy where they might be facing a lot of losses. These losses might not be directly affecting their stability, but they are affecting their confidence. Like their stability might be intact, they might still have a house, they might not be homeless or, like, not something very drastic, but their confidence has been affected. They were so connected to money, their ego was so, like, their self-worth was dictated with the kind of money they had, and they were very proud of the choices, the financial decisions they have made in life that have pushed them to become the King of Pentacles that they became. And now this person is in the Page of Pentacles energy, feeling as if, the worst has happened. And they are facing the losses, and the only thing that they can think about is you. The only thing that keeps on coming back in their mind is how they treated you. A lot of this treatment was because of their half hearted efforts. This person is in this mindset where they are wishing and hoping for a new chance in this connection, but they know, like, their energy is not appreciated anymore. Like, their half-hearted efforts, you don't even care about their half-hearted efforts anymore. Tell me more about this. Yes, you have totally moved on. There was a lot of love in this situation, but you decided to walk away anyway because you needed to focus on your life. You needed to focus on the things that matter for you, and you needed to focus on the things which really bring you uh, the peace you want and the stability you want. You were giving away your energy. You were giving away yourself so much in this connection that it really put you in a place and position where you felt extremely drained. You might be going through a lot of physical ailments when you were in this connection. For a lot of y'all, I'm picking up on chronic ailments. You have picked up on a lot of stress in this connection, and you're healing from all of those things and that mental pressure. You were in a burnout, exhaustion energy when you were in this connection. And after moving out of this energy, after moving out of this connection, you're finally realizing that, true happiness, true friendship, authentic connections are very rare, and the connection you have with yourself and your family and your close ones matters the most. And this person was not a part of your close knitted soul family. For a very long time you felt as if, okay, this person is a part of my soul family, but no, this person was never a part of your soul family. This person was just a karmic lesson, and it was a very tough pill for you to swallow. This person is in this energy where they clearly know. It's not even, you don't even have to say it out loud that, hey, I'm not going to talk to you again, or I'm not going to tolerate your bullshit. You don't even have to say it out loud. This person knows that. They just know it. This person knows. This person is discussing with their friends, family members, how to get back into your energy. But you know what I'm picking up on, this person is in this mindset where they are realizing that, there are not a plenty of fish in the sea. They're realizing that how their actions have accumulated and created a situation which is kind of unescapable. Their friends and family members have also been pointing out to the situation where, a lot of people are showing them that they need to be held accountable for their foolish behavior. But what I'm picking up on, like, some people are also pointing out to the fact that they were never balanced in this connection. They were always looking out for other options. They were always looking out for situations, things, distractions which will pull them out of this connection. They were not happy with the stability and security you brought into the connection. I think a lot of people from their close friend group, from their close, confidants, their family members, cousins, are pointing out to the situations where, hey, do you remember when, so and so was calling you again and again and you didn't answer, you were ghosting them? I don't think they're gonna, respect you or see you the same way. Like, a lot of people are mentioning that a lot of incidents where this person didn't treat you well. Can you tell me more about the family and friends? What are they pointing out to? The family and friends are also pointing out to the fact that, they lost on a star. Like, I think a lot of times this person has mentioned how you are like a dream come true. And when I say that, like, how you picturize that, okay, this is my perfect person, they should look like this, they should behave like this, they should be funny, blah blah blah. And this person, whenever they described a person who they want to spend their rest of the life with, they describe someone who was similar to you. And when you actually entered their life, they they didn't do well. They fucked up the connection. They jumbled you. They fumbled you. And their friends and family are pointing out to the fact that you over prioritized your career, your other responsibilities, your money, your other hustles over this person, and now this person is gone. With the Ace of Pentacles being the family and friends are also pointing out to the fact that this person was a blessing in your life. A lot of people are saying it straight to their face that this person was a blessing in your life and you fumbled the blessing of your life. You fumbled the blessing of your life just to make something work for you, which is not going to stay long term. But friends and family are also pointing out to the fact that there has been a lot of things in the past. Like, this person thinks that you're holding on to a lot of past grudges, but their friends and family are critically and, like, they are trying to point to situations, scenarios where they were not a good person to you. Like their friends and family are standing as a mirror. They are trying to help them remember how many times they fumbled you or they made you feel small, inferior, not important in the connection. This person is going to stay in your energy for a very long time. This person is going to be in this stagnancy for at least 4 to 5 months because we are in a retrograde. This reading is timeless. Just take what resonates and throw the rest out. Can you tell me the future actions of this person, please? Can you tell me the future actions of this person? This person is going to, yeah, see, the thing is that, this person has a tendency to victimize themselves. This person has a tendency to feel ignored, like, they will do something stupid, and when you react to it, they feel ignored, or they make the situation entirely about themselves. This person will be in this energy for a very long time, and this person will feel the pressure of a sword holding, like, held on their head. Like, they will feel as if, okay, this is something I have to face, this is something I have to face, and eventually they are going to apologize to you. But I don't see you reconnecting back with this person, because this person has hurt you a lot. This person was also very promiscuous. This person has hurt you a lot. This person will come to you with a half-hearted energy, a half filled cup, have nothing to offer. This person is financially drained, and you won't be able to help them because your good side, or how you treated this person in a good way, is over, and you will move out of this connection. You will say goodbye to this person forever. That's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye. Thank you.